company based out of Golden, Colorado that manufactures laser systems for doing engraving and cutting applications. They're used in a wide range of companies, anything from industrial manufacturing, aerospace. Hi, my name's Steve Cortese. I'm the distributor for Epilog here in Southern California. These systems can do both engraving and cutting. People that are doing like architectural model making, even a lot of the colleges are now using these. The unique thing about these systems is what we give you is a Windows print driver, so it allows you to print from any Windows software package. You can use graphics programs like Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW. You could also use CAD programs such as like AutoCAD, Mastercam, or SolidWorks. We've got items like acrylic that we've engraved and cut on, stainless steel samples, anodized aluminum, even on cork, marble. Each material might have a different speed and power setting, and those configurations can be actually saved in our print driver. So next time you do anodized aluminum, you would just choose that and then send it to the laser. So even if I were to send a full color image to this anodized aluminum, it interpolates it into basically grayscale. This is wood, and what we did is we lasered engraved the background, then we went in and we lasered engraved the different colors of woods and then glued them on. So the system was able to engrave this wood, cut it out, and then we basically apply it. This is anodized aluminum. This is red, very similar to the black anodized that we saw earlier. But people are able to put like their logos or a description or a part number or a model number on the actual product itself. This is a bare piece of aluminum where somebody needed to actually get depth into the engraving onto this, putting a permanent mark to it. What you're looking at here is a CO2 laser. The table is motorized, so we can actually, on this model, put products in up to 8 inches thick. It can do both flat engraving and cutting, or we have rotary attachments so we can do round cylindrical items also.